Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you 13 amazing storage and organizing products that don't require drilling. They're especially perfect for renters, college dorm rooms, or anyone who wants to maximize space without damaging the walls. These items are all expert approved and highly rated on Amazon. And the best part? You can grab them right away through the affiliate links I've placed in the video description. 1. Command Large Utility Hooks. This is Command's most famous adhesive hook. It can hold up to 5 pounds, great for coats, bags, or even small pans. Pros: easy to stick on, easy to remove, no wall damage. Cons: adhesive may weaken on damp walls. One buyer said, "It held my kid's backpack almost 10 pounds with no problem." Super handy. 2. Command Small Wire Toggle Hooks. These compact hooks are perfect for keys, small utensils, or bathroom accessories. Pros: simple design, damage-free removal. Cons: not suitable for heavy items. Customer review: my kitchen instantly looks more organized with these little hooks. 3. Udeel Rust-Proof Adhesive Shower Caddies, a stainless steel adhesive shower caddy set. Loved for being rust-proof and waterproof. Pros: multiple colors, saves valuable counter space. Cons: tough to reapply if you stick it in the wrong spot. One review: it's super sturdy. Even large shampoo bottles stay put. 4. Yonggaijia Bedside Wall Mount Shelf, a wall-mounted shelf that replaces your nightstand. Comes with 2 cubbies and 5 small hooks. Pros: built-in cord slot for phone charging. Cons: not strong enough for heavy items like laptops. One renter said, "My tiny dorm room has no space for a table. This shelf is a lifesaver." Don't forget, the affiliate links are right below in the description. Click to check out the products and grab them while discounts last. 5. Genice Spice Magnetic Spice Jars. Magnetic spice jars that stick right to your fridge. Stylish honeycomb design, both pretty and practical. Pros: save space, modern look. Cons: pricier than regular spice jars. Customer review: every time I open the fridge and see my spice wall, I feel inspired to cook. 6. Huggy Gems Magnetic Storage Rack, a heavy-duty magnetic rack for your fridge. Available in multiple colors and sizes. Pros: hold sauces, oils, even heavy jars. Cons: can take up fridge surface space in smaller kitchens. One buyer said, "This rack is so strong I even placed my small air fryer on top." 7. Ofere Home Magnetic Shelf with Wood Lid, a fridge-mounted magnetic basket with a wooden top. Perfect for onions, garlic, fruits, or spices. Pros: beautiful design with railing to prevent items from falling. Cons: only works on metal surfaces. Customer review: my kitchen looks much more stylish and clutter-free. 8. Yamazaki Home Freestanding Magnetic Sliding Storage Drawer, a freestanding unit with a sliding drawer and magnetic sides. Pros: provide storage and extra magnetic space for notes and hooks. Cons: a bit pricey. One review: expensive but worth it. My kitchen corner feels totally transformed. 9. Yamazaki Home Tosca Magnetic Kitchen Storage Rack, the ultimate all-in-one magnetic rack. Includes a shelf, paper towel holder, tea towel rod, and hooks. Pros: multifunctional, minimalist Japanese design. Cons: best for larger fridges. Customer said, "My kitchen feels instantly organized. I don't need extra racks anymore." 10. iDesign Magnetic Clear. Bin Clear magnetic bins available in 3 sizes. Pros: see-through storage, versatile for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. Cons: can slip if overloaded. Customer note: I stick it to my washer for detergent. It's so convenient and saves space. 11. LQPFZ 6-tier magnetic file holder, a 6-tier vertical file system for cabinets or whiteboards. Pros: maximizes vertical space, keeps documents tidy. Cons: too big for smaller rooms. One customer said, "No more paper piles. Our office feels so much more efficient." 12. Vicnova Magnetic Storage Basket Set, multi-tier magnetic baskets with a small whiteboard. Pros: holds essentials while letting you jot quick notes. Cons: only supports lightweight items. Review: we turned our fridge into a family command center. Everyone loves it. 13. Modern Innovations Magnetic Knife Holder. A magnetic strip for knives or any metal tools. Comes in 5 sizes from 10 to 18 inches. Pros: powerful magnets, safe and tidy storage. Cons: needs precise placement to look neat. Customer feedback: my knives are secure, my counter is free, and my kitchen looks professional. See? These 13 products are stylish, practical, and totally renter-friendly. Remember, prices may change, so hit the affiliate links in the description below to get them while they're still on sale. And once again, all the product links are right below. Just one click and they'll be delivered right to your door. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That way, we'll have more motivation to create even better product reviews for you.